Hello and welcome back. Let's get started with installing VyOS router on a virtual machine. Here's what you need to do. First, start by heading over to the official VyOS website, vios.io. Once you are there, click on the rolling release. Under the VyOS rolling release section, scroll down and under the available builds, click on the latest available to begin the download. This will be the installation image we'll use to set up the router. I have already downloaded earlier. And this is the latest version at the time of this recording. Next, open VMware Workstation 17 Pro and create a new virtual machine. Click on File, Create New Virtual Machine. When prompted, choose the typical installation type and click on Next. Select I will install the operating system later. This option lets us set up everything manually. Click on Next. For the guest operating system, pick Linux and then select Debian 64-bit from the list. VyOS is based on Debian, so this configuration works perfectly. Click on Next. Now name this virtual machine. I would name VyOS Multi-ISP Lab. Click on Next. Create a new virtual hard disk for VyOS. An 8 GB disk is a good starting point, and store virtual disk in a single file is good for this lab. Click on Next. Now click on Custom Hardware to allocate resources to your VM. I recommend setting at least 2 GB of RAM and 2 virtual CPUs. This ensures a smooth operation. Click on Close and then click on Finish. Once the VM setup is complete, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings and attach the VyOS ISO file that you downloaded earlier to the virtual machine. This is the ISO image. Select this image and click on Open. This makes it ready to boot from the installation image. Now click on OK. Now start the VyOS VM. And the VyOS installation process will be begin. Just follow the prompt on the screen to get everything up and running. When you see the welcome screen, enter the default username VyOS and default password is also VyOS. Press enter. To start the installation process, type install space image and press enter. To confirm the installation, type Y and press enter again. This will launch the guided installer. During the installation, you will be prompted to configure a few things. Would you like to name this image? Leave it to default and just press enter. Set a password for the VyOS user. Choose something secure. Press enter. Confirm it. Choose the console. You can leave this set to default option and simply press enter. Select the installation disk. The default disk is fine, so press enter again. At this point, you'll see a warning that all data on the selected drive will be erased. Since it's a new installation, this is perfectly fine. Type Y and press enter to proceed. You will also be asked whether to use all the free disk space. Type Y and press enter here too. When it comes to the boot configuration file, stick with the default option and press enter. That's it. The installation process will now begin. Once it's finished, type power off, press enter and type Y and press enter to shut down the virtual machine. How to assign multiple network interface cards or NICs in VyOS router. Go to the virtual machine settings in VMware Workstation. Now add 5 additional NICs, total of 5 NICs including the default one. Assign each NIC to a separate network as follows. The default network adapter will become my management interface. Set it to bridge interface to enable SSH access. Now add and assign the second network adapter to ISP1 and configure it to VMnet2. Similarly, add and assign the third network adapter to ISP2 and configure it to VMnet3. And the fourth network adapter to ISP3 with VMnet4. Lastly, add a fifth network adapter for the upstream internet. This will connect to your home or office internet. Set this adapter to NAT mode to automatically receive IP address settings from the DHCP or NAT. Ensure that each NIC is connected to a unique subnet to prevent IP conflict. Now start the VIOS virtual machine and wait until you see the login prompt. Now type the default username VIOS, VYOS, press enter, and the password that you have reset during the installation. First check how many interfaces you have in VIOS router. Type show space interface, press enter. Here we have 5 Ethernets, Ethernet 0, Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2, Ethernet 3 and Ethernet 4. Alright, here we have added all the required network adapters in VIOS router. In the next part, we will see how to configure all these network interfaces separately to design the multiple ISP labs.